Viewport Navigation. Two types of viewports: orthographic and perspective. In orthographic view, objects appears the same size regardless of their distance. Top, front, and right are orthographic views. In perspective view, objects which are far away are smaller than those nearby. Press 7 in numerical pad for top ortho view. 1 in numerical pad for front ortho view. 3 in numerical pad for right ortho view. And press 9 for bottom from top, back from front, left from right. Press hold middle mouse button and drag a bit to turn the ortho to perspective view. Press hold Shift plus middle mouse button to pan the view. Press hold Control plus middle mouse button to zoom in and zoom out. Also, you can use scrolling mouse button for zooming. Increase the clip end value to view the hidden or clipped distance in the 3D space.